Hello friends and welcome. Today I am going to explain you how to open the ANSYS software as well as its GUI, that is graphical user interface. To start the ANSYS, click on start icon and then search for APDL. You will get mechanical APDL product launcher as well as mechanical APDL 2021 R1. Both are same, only the difference in both of that in mechanical APDL product launcher you will get current directory and job name at the starting. So we are going to use this mechanical APDL product launcher. So double click on it, then your ANSYS window will get open within the few seconds. Now you will get the new window on your screen. Your simulation environment is ANSYS and license type is ANSYS Mechanical Enterprise. Then working directory is the one where you can save your all files and folders. So if you want to change the working directory, click on this browse icon and then you can able to set your directory also. The next one is the job name, where you can give your file name. So initially I am using the same name as a file. If you want to change it, you can also able to change. Then you need to click on this run icon. So initially this run icon may be hide behind your taskbar. So you need to lift this ANSYS window somewhat and then click on this run icon. Then the output window will be appear on your screen. This is one of the menu of ANSYS. Now you will get this new window on your screen. I am going to maximize it. So it shows you the ANSYS and its version. It is now currently using the 2021 R1 version. It is used for academic. The date and time will be shown here. And this will be a main area is called as a graphics area, which displays created geometries in ANSYS, as well as if you import some geometry in the ANSYS, this geometry also will be shown in your graphics area. At the top, this will be called as a utility menu, which consists of the number of functions like file, select, list, plot controls, etc. And below of that, it will be called as a toolbar menu, which consists of the push buttons. These push buttons are available to start the new analysis, open the existing file, save the file, then pan, zoom, rotate option can be used, and you can capture your image, the report can be generated, you can use the ANSYS help menu, and next to that there is a command prompt. So using this command prompt you can give the input to the ANSYS also. The another way to give the input is this main menu. So using this main menu you can able to provide the input. So generally we are providing the input to the ANSYS software by using this main menu where different options are available. So generally for FE analysis there are three major steps. First one is the preprocessor, then processor or solution, and third one is the post-processor. In preprocessor, if you click on this plus icon, there are again different options are available. So in preprocessor, you can able to define the element type, material properties, cross-sectional areas. You can able to create the models by using key points, nodes and elements. You can able to apply the meshings. You can able to apply the loads. And the second is the solution. In solution, if you again click on this plus icon, again different functions are available. You can select your analysis type. You can also able to define the loads, and after applying the boundary conditions you can able to solve the problem. So after solution is done, then you can go for the general post processor where you can able to display the different results. If you not use the solve command, then the results will be not get displayed in general post processor. In general post processor you can able to list the different results, then you can able to plot the different results also. Next to this command prompt there is one icon called as a raise hidden icon. By using this raise hidden icon you can able to raise the windows. If any window will be get hide, then you can use this raise hidden icon to raise that window. To the right hand side of this graphics area there are various options are again available. So you can able to see the isometric views, then oblique view, front view, right view, top view, back view, left view, and bottom view. So these different viewing options are available. Below of that there is a one icon called as a fit view. So this fit view can be used if you create any geometry on this graphics area, and if that geometry goes outside of your screen, and by using this fit view, the created geometry will again appear at the center, that is on your screen. Then next is the zoom model. You can able to zoom your model, then zoom back, zoom in, zoom out options are available. Then these four options are used for the pan model. So you can move the model to the left hand side, you can move the model to the right hand side, you can move the model upwards and as well as downwards. As well as if you want to rotate your created geometry or model, and you can use these rotating options. So there is a rotation in anti-clockwise direction for x-axis, then rotation in clockwise direction for y-axis, rotation again anti-clockwise for y-axis, rotation for clockwise for z-axis, and anti-clockwise for z-axis again. And here the rotation angle will be you can select. So there are available different rotation angles are available. So you can select as per your requirement. So these options are available for ANSYS. So this is the GUI. Now I am going to explain some functions of the utility menu. So I am going to explain only the functions which required generally. First, utility menu contains the file function. In file, you can see the first one is the clear and start. It will be used to clear the database and start the new job. Then the second option is change job name. So initially we are providing a job name at the start, but if you want to change its name afterwards, then this option is applicable. Also you can able to change the directory, then change title. Then next is the resume job name.db. So .db is the extension of this ANSYS file, and this can be used to resume your existing file. Next one is the resume from. It will be used to resume the previously stored job. Then you can save your file as a job name.db. Also you can able to save it as. Then the next option is read input from. If the input is taken from the outside program file, then this option will be applicable. Also you will be able to import the other CAD geometries by using these import options. CAD file must be in the IGS format. You can able to import the CATIA, then Creo files, NX files, ACIS files and para files. Also you will be able to export the created geometry in ANSYS in the other software also. You can able to generate the report, and last one is the exit, which is used to close the ANSYS session. So this is the first function. Then second function of the utility menu is select. This is important option for viewing the results or applying the boundary conditions. So where again the number of options are available. The first one is the entities. Entity you can select as a key points, lines, nodes, elements, areas and volumes. The second one is the component manager. You can able to name and group the selected components. In component assembly, you can able to create the components, create the assemblies. You can able to also edit the assemblies. So there are multiple functions are also available. The next one is the everything. So using that you can select only the selected part, and everything below is used to selecting the entities below that. If that below you want to select only the volumes, then you can able to select volume. If you want to select areas only, lines only, key points only and elements only. So these options are available. Now next one is the list function, where again the different options are available, and this option can be used for listing the different types of the elements, key points, lines, areas, volumes, nodes, elements, components, different types of the properties, loads. So these options are available under the list menu. The next one is the plot function. This function is used to plot the key points, lines, areas, volumes, some specified entities like key points, lines, areas, volume again, nodes, elements, materials and all other things. The multiplot option is used to plot the multiple windows, and this replot is similarly as you can refreshing your windows. The next one is the plot control, where again the different options are available. This is the very important, and it contains the pan, zoom, rotate. It opens another menu through which zooming and rotation of the model will be possible. The next one is the view setting. By default, you can see on your screen the Z plane is perpendicular to the viewer. By using this view setting options, you can able to change these view settings by using the viewing direction, angle rotation, magnification, focus point, etc. Next one is the numbering. This is useful for setting the numbering on and off for elements, key points, nodes, etc. Next one is the symbol, which can be used to view the applied translation, forces, pressures, etc. Next one is style. It can be used for sectioning, vector arrow sizing, and real structural appearances is possible through this also. So you can see here the one size and shape option. So using that size and shape option, you can able to see the proper element on your graphic screen. There is now next one important is the animate. So animation can be done for the output data by using this option. And you can use these annotations also to create 2D annotations, 3D annotations, and so on. By using these hard copy options, you can able to send the data to printer or any external files. You can save your plot controls. You can able to capture the image, and this image will be captured in terms of .bmp image. Also, you can able to restore the image. Then multi-plot controls are available and multi-window layout is also available. To view the results in more than one window, you can use this multi-window layout option. Now next one is the work plane. As I already told you that the Z plane is by default perpendicular for data input. If you want to change any global X, Y and Z plane, then this work plane should be rotated to create the model or to view the results. The next one is the parameter. These are the scalar parameter and can be represented with values. The next one is the macros. These are grouping of ANSYS commands to fulfill the different types of the work. It will be same as your C, C++ or Java functions. The next one is the menu control, which can be used to set on off the different menus. So again, you can able to select the colors. Font selection can be done using that options. Next one is the help menu. So if you want to take any help from the ANSYS, then you can use this help menu also. So if you want to check what type of elements, what are the element description, element table data, then you can use this help topics or help option to get the help for specific. This is called as the toolbar, which contains the different options, like you can save your database file, you can able to resume the database, you can exit the database, and there is again the power graph options. And at the bottom, this is called as the user prompt information. So whenever you select any of the command, it gives you the information that what you need to do the another. And the next one is current settings. So this is all about the GUI of ANSYS. In next video, we are going to see how to use this ANSYS software to analyze the different 1D, 2D and 3D problems. So this is all about of the ANSYS window. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.